Let me ask you something. Do you understand English? But when you want to speak, your mind goes blank, your heart beats fast, your voice feels stuck.
Do you think, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? What if I sound stupid?
If that's you, please listen carefully. This episode is for you.
Because today, we are going to help you speak English without fear, without stress, without shame.
And not in 10 years. Not one day, but starting now and step by step in just 7 days. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, English Glow Up.
This is the place where English feels simple, calm, and friendly.
We are Emily and Paul, and here we help you speak English with confidence.
No pressure, no stress, no fear of mistakes.
Before we start, take 1 second. Subscribe to our channel, English Glow Up, like this video, and share it with someone who feels shy speaking English.
All right, take a deep breath. Let's begin.
Today's topic is simple, confidence English.
Confidence English means this. You speak English even if it is not perfect.
You do not wait for the perfect time. You do not wait for the perfect level.
You speak with what you have now.
Many learners think confidence comes after good English.
But the truth is the opposite.
Confidence comes before. Confidence creates good English.
Think about a baby. A baby does not wait to speak perfectly.
The baby tries, falls, tries again.
And slowly, the baby speaks.
English is the same.
Let's start with very simple English. English you can use today.
Repeat after me. You can speak out loud. Hello, how are you?
Again. Hello, how are you? Now, a simple answer. I'm good, thank you.
Say it with me. I'm good. Thank you. That's it. That is real English.
Now let's try a small conversation.
I'll start. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. And you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Simple, clear, natural.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video if you want.
Ask this question out loud. How are you today?
Now answer. Any answer is okay.
You can say, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm tired.
Good job. You are speaking English. Day 1 is about one thing. Stop waiting.
Do not wait to feel ready.
Ready comes after action.
Today, speak one sentence. Just one.
Even alone, even in your room.
Day 2. Mistakes are not enemies.
Mistakes are teachers.
Every mistake means you tried.
Say this with me. It's okay to make mistakes.
Again, it's okay to make mistakes.
Day 3. Short sentences are powerful.
You do not need long sentences.
For example, I like this. I don't understand. Can you help me?
Simple English is good English.
Day 4. Slow is strong.
You do not need to speak fast.
Speak slowly, clearly.
People will understand you better.
Day 5. Use your body.
Smile. Nod. Use your hands.
Communication is not only words.
Day 6. Speak every day.
1 minute is enough.
Talk to yourself. Talk to a mirror.
Consistency builds confidence. Day 7. Be proud of yourself.
Look back. You are better than before.
Confidence is a muscle. You trained it.
Let's remember what we learned today.
Confidence comes before perfect English.
Mistakes are normal.
Short sentences are enough.
Speak slowly.
Practice every day.
And most important, be kind to yourself.
Now it's your turn.
Write one simple sentence in the comments.
For example, today I feel confident.
Practice today, not tomorrow.
If this video helped you, please like it.
Subscribe to English Glow Up.
And keep watching. Your confidence is growing.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and keep glowing in English.